and welcome back to my channel. My name is Girija and I'm a medical student pursuing MBBS. I am also a YouTuber and I make content related to productivity, study hacks, tech that I use as a medical student and positivity. Also, I make videos regarding everything that catches my interest. So if at all you are new to my channel, then make sure you click the subscribe button because it is completely free and it will provide me with a lot of motivation to create more such content for you guys. Well, today's video is really special because it is the first Sunday of the year 2022, and if you have been a viewer for a long time, then you must know that I upload a new video on every Sunday. So here's wishing you all a very happy new year 2022, and make sure that you stay till the end of this video because I have got a special gift for you. So to know what the surprise gift is, make sure that you watch this video till the end, which is about 5 habits which will help you to achieve all your goals. So keep watching and stay tuned. Let me straight away begin by mentioning habit number 1, which will help you to achieve all your goals and turn your dreams into reality, which is the habit of planning. So habit number 1, learn to plan. You must have heard the famous saying, which goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. This saying has a lot of importance in my life because last year I really focused on planning my tasks, days, weeks, months, and eventually planning my entire year, which made me a very positive and productive person. There were other factors as well which helped me to convert myself from a procrastinator into a productive person. And if you want to know how did I transform myself, make sure you watch this video that I specifically made about that. I will link it above and place a link in the description box below as well. Now moving on, how does planning help you? Well, there are 2 factors which will make your planning the best. Number 1 is time management and number 2 is setting deadlines. Once you learn to manage your time, may it be for a small task which may require maybe 20 to 30 minutes or a huge task which may require several months to complete. Once you learn how to manage the small tasks and convert your day into smaller time slots, you will be able to manage all your tasks, and then this will give you the motivation to plan further. Also, you will no longer have the confusion of what to do next because you already have a plan for yourself. Make sure that your plans are flexible enough and you set a daily routine for yourself, because as I say in most of my videos, what you do every single day is what determines your future. So make sure that you have a productive daily routine and a schedule which will help you to be more productive. Make sure that your schedule is flexible enough so that even if certain events occur, you can just shift things and make yourself productive. The second one which I talked about was setting deadlines. Whenever you are planning any particular task, make sure that you set a deadline. This will help you to complete your task within a given time limit, and this will provide a clear vision regarding how much work you have to do per day or per hour depending on what your task actually is. So this was about habit number 1, which is learn to plan. Now let's talk about habit number 2, which is get fit. Here I'm not only talking about physical fitness, but I am talking about mental and emotional fitness as well. Once you have an activity in your daily routine which gets your heart pumping and your blood rushing, you will definitely feel the energy, and this will make you more productive and focused. If you want to know more about how to stay focused and concentrate better, you can watch this video that I made on improving focus and concentration. I will link it above and provide a link in the description box below as well. So make sure that you watch that video. Now let's talk about how fitness helps to get you into a productive lifestyle. Even if you spend 20 to 30 minutes into any physical physical activity of your choice, you will definitely feel that you are more active throughout the day. This will increase your energy levels and also help you to focus on all your tasks in a much better way. May it be going for a walk or dancing out a bit in your own room. It is all worth it when you sweat it out. If you feel that you do not have enough energy to work out, then make sure that you have a nice cup of coffee as your pre-workout. And if you want to have a kick of taste and the best coffee with affordable rates, then make sure that you check out Rage Coffee, because it comes in different flavors which are so amazing and delicious. If you know me and if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I post a story every single day regarding coffee o'clock, because I am a coffee lover and Rage Coffee is definitely one of my favorites. Now, as this is the new year 2022, I am going to provide you a special gift from my side, which is a special flat 15% discount by using my coupon code GIRIJA15. If you tap on the link which I will provide in the description box below, then you can unlock more such exciting features, but do not forget to use my coupon code GIRIJA15 and unlock the goodness of caffeine, which is totally natural and has less than 5 calories per serving. So this will definitely help you to get into a fitter lifestyle and focus better with that boost of energy and caffeine. So check out Rage Coffee and the amazing flavors and amazing products that they provide. But don't forget to use my coupon code GIRIJA15. All the details will be provided in the description box below. Now let's talk about habit number 3, which is read more. I love reading self-help books and books related to poetry. Whenever I read, it just unlocks the different windows of my mind and gives me a different clarity and perspective towards life. Reading books is very beneficial for you because number 1, it improves your language. Second, it improves your concentration. Third, it helps you to gain new perspective towards things and provides you with entertainment as well. We might read hundreds of memes every single day, but just imagine if you spend 10 minutes of your day in reading a good book. It will add to the knowledge that you have and definitely make you a better person. Just set small goals like reading 10 minutes per day, and eventually when you read at least 1 book per month, you will end up reading 12 books a year, and that is so much better. So make sure that you make time to read the amazing literature that we have in this world, which will help you to become a better person and reach your goals. You can read books related to your goals and get new ideas and new concepts which will help you to reach your goals faster. So the habit of reading is definitely a must-have. Now let's talk about habit number 4, which is get inspired. We all feel low and depressed at some point of time, and whenever you lose the motivation to be productive and complete your tasks, make sure that you know your emotions correctly and sort them out in a way which will help you to become a better person and feel better. At such times, you should know how to inspire yourself and get that boost of motivation from within. Whenever I feel low or depressed, I make sure that I talk to people around me or people who are close to me so that I get out of that low and depressed zone and gain a new perspective by talking to the people who are close to me and who know me well. Or you can just watch motivational or inspirational videos on YouTube. Even if you watch one motivational video in the morning, it will definitely help you to light up your entire day. Whenever you are feeling low or depressed, you can read quotes related to inspiration and motivation, which will definitely give you a boost of energy, and that will set a positive mood for you. You can also have posters of things that you like or things that inspire you to get better in your room or in your workspace or in your study space. Having such vision boards gives you a clarity towards why you want to achieve your goals, and that will definitely get you the boost of motivation. So learn to get inspired, and it will definitely make your life much better and help you to reach your goals. Now let's move on to the final habit, which is habit number 5. Even if you follow all the 4 habits which I mentioned earlier in this video, they might not be as effective if you do not back them up with habit number 5, which is being consistent. Being consistent is doing your work every single day, even on the days when you do not find motivation or you do not feel like doing those tasks. You know why? Because it is very important to move forward even if you're taking smaller steps. Imagine that you work continuously for 24 hours and then you do not work for the rest of the year. Do you think you will achieve your goals? I don't think so, because even if you work for 2 or 3 hours every single day, it will make a huge difference in your life. I do not use Snapchat that much, but the friends who use Snapchat told me about a thing called maintaining Snapchat streaks. It is about posting one picture every single day, and then you get a number of days when you posted a picture and that maintains a streak. And even if you miss one day, then the streak gets to 0 and you have to start it all over again. And people are obsessed with it. What if you are obsessed with maintaining a streak about your goals? What if you do one task every single day which will take you closer to your goal? What if you maintain such a streak with yourself? It will definitely create a big difference in your life. Even if you take baby steps every single day, it is definitely worth it. Imagine that you work on your goal for just 1 hour every single day. Then after 6 months, imagine the person that you will be. You will definitely be much ahead than you are today. You can just write every date on a page of sticky note and stick it wherever, like you can stick it on your study table or whichever place you visit every single day in your room. And then you can just tick off that particular day when you work towards your goal. And what if you complete that streak for yourself? This is being consistent. You do not have to be extreme. You just have to be consistent to reach your goals. And when you back every task that you do with consistency and your honest efforts, it will make a huge difference in your life. And if you want to know what is the best time to start, it is right now, because you have got everything that you need to reach your goal. You are amazing and you should definitely be happy and proud of yourself, because you are worth it. So make sure that you achieve all your goals and follow these 5 habits to make your life a better one. I hope that this video added a little value to your life. And if it did, then make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on my Instagram, which I will mention over here, and I will provide a link in the description box below as well. And don't forget about my New Year gift for you guys, which is my coupon code GIRIJA15 on Rage Coffee. It is an amazing brand which provides completely natural and amazing flavors of coffee. So if you are a coffee lover, make sure you check out their website. I have provided the link in the description box below. Make sure you use the same link and use my coupon code to get a flat 15% off. It is also an amazing gifting option if you have to gift it to somebody else. Till then, don't forget to have your cup of positivity and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video.